At first glance, the Blackview BL7000 Pro looks like a clear upgrade, but that's not the whole story. After testing the specs and comparing both phones, I found one detail that completely changes which one I'd recommend. So before you spend your money, let's compare them side by side. After comparing both phones, the conclusion is actually pretty straightforward. The Blackview BL7000 Pro isn't a major upgrade over the original BL7000. They share the same processor, the same display, the same battery, the same cameras, and almost identical hardware. The biggest difference is that the Pro ships with Android 16 and a slightly refreshed design, but in everyday use, the overall experience is almost exactly. If both phones cost about the same, I'd go with the Blackview BL7000 Pro simply because it comes with newer software. That should give it a slightly longer lifespan when it comes to updates and app compatibility.